What is the highest personal injury settlement? When someone suffers a serious bodily injury as a result of another person's or company's negligent actions or inactions, our civil justice system allows the victim to seek financial restitution for their losses and harms. When an accident victim files a personal injury claim, it does not guarantee that they will receive compensatory damages from the negligent party or parties. Furthermore, the vast majority of accident victims do not walk away with a large sum of money that will enable them to retire early. According to multimillion-dollar research data, the average personal injury settlement is around $53,000. 10 highest personal injury settlements. Although that is an average, most personal injury settlements range between $3,000 and $75,000. $206 billion for the Tobacco Master Settlement Agreement. In 1998, 46 states joined to pursue tobacco companies to recover the costs to the states for medical costs caring for lifelong smokers. $150 billion for the family of Robert Middleton. In 1998, 8-year-old Robert Middleton was sexually assaulted, doused in gas and lit on fire by a 13-year-old. 12 years later, he died of skin cancer. His family sued the assailant, alleging the burns caused skin cancer. The jury agreed with the family and awarded $150 billion in punitive damages in the wrongful death lawsuit. $20 billion for the BP oil spill. At the end of years of litigation, a settlement was reached for BP to pay $20 billion in damages. $4.9 billion for the Anderson family from GM. In 1993, a Chevy Malibu containing 6 members of the Anderson family was hit by a drunk driver. The impact of the car accident caused the fuel tank to catch fire and explode, burning all 6 members. At the end of a trial, the jury awarded $4.90 billion, $4.8 billion of which as punitive damages. $60 million awarded for a derailed train. In 1997, a derailed train crashed into a trackside gas station, causing a traumatic brain injury. $32.5 million awarded for malfunctioning seatbelt against Ford and Mazda. In 1996, the plaintiff was struck in a head-on collision. His seatbelt malfunctioned and the driver was thrown out of the windshield. He also suffered a traumatic brain injury. $27.5 million for a lost leg in a bus accident. In 2005, Gloria Aguilar was struck by a transit bus in New York City. As a result of the collision, she lost her leg. $25.5 million medical malpractice lawsuit. 10-year-old Maisha Najeeb underwent a procedure involving a dye injection in her brain. The doctors accidentally injected glue into her brain, causing blindness in one eye and lifelong medical complications. $22 million for a car accident caused by a pharmacy. In 2008, a pharmacy truck crashed into a pedestrian crossing the street, causing serious physical damages and a traumatic brain injury. $19 million for a delivery truck accident. In 1998, a Los Angeles city maintenance truck smashed into several vehicles. In the course of the accident, the plaintiff was injured so badly that she could only communicate by blinking. She required tube feeding and medical care totaling $360,000 annually. Major personal injury verdicts in Colorado. Often, much of the remaining settlement or verdict goes to medical bills or paying debts from losing wages. Our Denver personal injury attorneys help clients pursue the highest amount possible for their personal injury case, whether it is a settlement or verdict. Contact our lawyers today for a free case review.